back this one to how to link, okay, all other things together. Just that if you use Ivan, you need to change it, adapt to use the Ivan instead of Microsoft Azure okay. So because Microsoft will fire all the engineer, so that's why the user account registration got problem okay, because they simply fire people, not AI can do everything. Yeah. They fire already, so some of the things not maintained now lah.
Junction Sean.
Xin.
Wow, how far is it?
Okay. 17 half of class only, half of RD class only. Now IC designer, engineer, 6K of fresh graduate come out.
6K 咩？6K 咩？
6K serious. That's why we just have a talk only. Malaysia lah. Oh, you guys are mechanical lah, wrong field lah. Wrong field lah. Yes. IC design, more on where? Semiconductor. Fresh grade 6K. This is a A grade of PhD, medical for industrial and all. Say, must 19 years lah. 5 years over there.
你喝太多咖啡哈，早上。
没有啊，
怎么你这样？
原本的这个标配呢？
怎么你这样？
这个对要做，拜五要交。
好啦，做啦！没有人跟我讲。
可以啦，刚刚 brief 了。
我的。
刚刚 brief。
So let's continue, okay? So for here the thing, okay, first again we need to start the ivan.io with the page. So again I will start the ivan.io to start up the database because this is a free database, so it will shut off when it's not in use. Okay, fair lah, people give you free things, you do not pay money, they got all the server for you 24/7 lah. Microsoft is different case lah. That one is a big corporate company lah. They have a lot of resources. Okay. So from here, okay, I log in, just log in. Remember your password so I can't help you with your password and your login detail this one you need to remember to delete. So that's wrong. Okay, so once you are in, you'll go to the services page. Okay, so there's one service which is the MySQL. So as you can see here, you say power off. Okay, so we just click on this service. After that, we go to your this service page. So now what we need to do is to turn it on. Okay, because you can see here it says power off. So to turn on, just go to the right side here, top corner. So there's 3 dots here. Click on it. Power on service. Okay. So once you click on power on service, then you can see it says rebuilding. Okay. So it takes some time to rebuild it. So while rebuilding it, okay, then we go back to open our Viva H traffic light system. Okay. That we have in the documents folder or where you downloaded. So I downloaded in the documents folder under IRI traffic light system. So I open back this traffic light system dot APB, this file, this project file for the Aviva H and open it. So in this page, in this Aviva H, this is screen you can off it, then just press run. Okay, so make sure the setting correctly you done, you did not do anything, just run.
Okay.
Then afterward, go to the start menu, press the start type in note hyphen rate. Okay. So type in note hyphen rate. Enter. So we have this text with this OPC server, and now we start back up the node rate. Oh, never mind, it's okay. Because this one is normal because previous. Okay, 0 for your.
OK，我会跟另外一个人考。
啊，你们2个人不好，你们要写几段呢？因为我们是5个人讨论3段东西啊。
诶，很容易耶。
啊，
你有读过吗
4个人
？before 考你有读过吗？
So it's perfectly fine if you see anything inside here because previous student using your computer might have created something. If you don't have anything, okay,
Wait,
you
Chiang Kai.
still have your if you have anything, you just it's okay, you just put it here like that. Okay, so we'll remove everything, then after we load the file, okay, from the JSON file that we saved in the before Chinese New Year one. So in order to do so, we in this at the start of this new tab, we just double click to create a new tab. Okay, so double click to create a new flow tab. After that, select this one and right click, click on delete. Okay, so this is to delete the existing item that have been done previously by other people. Okay, because this one is a shared computer, so you need to do so. If your own computer, you need to delete this one. You can just continue to use it. Okay, so click on delete. But if you are using your own computer, you change to do new project, you have to do this thing. So you need to remove the thing. So for this flow, you delete it. Then afterward, go to this configuration setting. This configuration node, this particular button. Click on it. Okay, select one of these test TV.
Yeah,
so when I go
not
over, you
dash
can
net
see
red.
it's highlighted in orange color. Okay. Then you press Control
然后就这样吧
A. So you
not
can see
dash
all
red.
is selected. All orange color selected. Okay, so once you selected everything, press on delete. Okay, it for more active deploy. One more. Control A, select Control A. Select one of them. Select one.
Turn on account. Back.
So this is to
That's
clear everything
very
behind.
然后你可以
直接打 local
red
Like
system.
好了。
No, you can go local host
So after this, what I need to do
the tab there, the set D, the tab double click,
okay, open and look.
and right click that one, delete.
No.
Then go to the configuration. Here the configuration. Press
NODE dash red.
Press Control A. And delete. And then click this one.
Okay, 到这里吧了。
So this is clear. Okay.
Welcome. 哎，哎，你骗我哎，骗我那能够？
This one the browser.
哎，那边
我有个
这个打错了是吗？
Local host.
我有一个名字的，
啊，
Open the new tab.
开了一次
啊，对
啊。
，not red, not dash red，去这个 setting，按一个，
要软件不用哈，
what？
不用软件哦，这个东西。
OK 了，OK 了。
然后还有开一个东西是什么？那个红绿灯就是变的。
哦，你看 Alpha H，上次你 set 的那个，还有一个 new tab，
这个东西啊，
不是，那个 Alpha H，你去在放在那里，你 set 的，直接开那个 local host，不要按那个，不要按1880。OK，不要那个 UI，不要那个 UI，不要那个 UI。
Okay, so now we're going to set back up what we have done previously. Go back. So you can just go to the three line button here. Three line, this one. click on this three line, then click on import. Okay, so this is to import back the thing. So click import. After that here, paste flow or JSON or select file to import. So we just select a file to import. After that, go back to the disk PC. Okay, you go to disk PC, select the P folder, then there's a BGMC4523, double click it, then select this. Okay, 20260211 Pioneer Traffic Light System. So this is the part where we left, okay, previously, okay, in the last, was it? Before Chinese New Year. Okay, so double click this, and then once you have import this thing, you just click on import button. Okay, click on this import button. So click on import. So you can see there's a traffic light system tab here. You click over, and this is the thing that we have tested previous before Chinese New Year. Okay. So to test it workable or not, okay. And also one more configuration we need to set up is the test DB because so this test DB, okay, your setting will need to follow your database server, not my database server. Okay. So from here, you double click on this test DB. Then afterwards, click on this edit key, edit it. Then this one, make sure you change to your host. Okay, so I go back to the Ivan web page. So here is this is my host. Okay, so this host I need to copy it. So you copy your host. Okay, don't use my host, copy the host. Then afterward, go back to the node rate and then paste the host. Okay, same for the port number. Also, you need to copy. From here, there's a port number. This port number. So copy this port number. Okay. And afterward, paste it back. Okay. So the user, again, you copy from the Ivan page. So this is the user. I believe everyone is standard. AVN admin. Just copy this and then paste it in the node rate under user. And the password. Okay. You need to copy this password. Don't do copy here because this is a very short password. The actual password is very long one. Okay, so that's why you need to use the copy clipboard. Then when you paste that time, you can see it's very long. Okay, compared to what you see just now. Okay, on the screen. Then afterwards, click on update. Okay, so click on update and click done. So then you click deploy, test out. Okay, so you can see your OPC UA is connected and then the test DB is also connected. Okay, so this is what you should have. Okay, everyone, okay? Connected? Okay, so as you can see from this traffic light, there's so many traffic lights. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. What we send is only this traffic light, this information out only. So we also still need to send up this traffic light number 2, traffic light number 3, and traffic light number 4. Okay, we cannot just send one information out, okay, in this system. So we need to send other remaining 3 more traffic light information out. So what can be done is from this node rate. This one very simple. Here, after this one is mainly you do a lot of copy paste. Happy lah, copy paste. Right? If you're FYP, you can copy paste too lah. Okay. So from here, this red line I can just drag up. So when you see when I selected it, we highlighted in orange color. So I drag out a bit to make space. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Okay. So I can place 3 more below, okay? Because we have 3 more traffic light. So the first one will be 0, second one is 1, third one is 2, the fourth one is 3. Okay? So because computer we start with 0, 1. Okay, if you do programming, the array start with 0. So that's why we start with 0. So the second one we need to change up. This one red light from 0, change it become 1. Okay? 0 become 1. This one very quick only. And for this one, the third one, 0 become 2, 0 become 2. Okay. Then the fourth one, 0 become 3. Okay, 0 become 3. Make sure you change this. Okay, and click done. So after that, this one we just connect the inject to the red light 1, inject to this red light 2, and then the inject to this red light 3. Then the red light 1 to this OPC UA client, red light 2 to OPC UA client, red light 3 to OPC UA client. Okay. So I'll just delete this first, okay, to demonstrate to you what if we have these 4 items to this OPC UA client, what will happen. Let me deploy. Then I show you a message. So when I inject, so here the output, so you can see what the four information. First is the red light 0, okay, true. Then the second is for the red light 1. Then the third one is red light 2. Then the final one is red light 3. So you got 4 information come out from here. How are you going to separate this information? If I have just one here line go out to this red light 0, this one all become red light 0, you will get wrong information. You also have red light 0, red light 1, red light 2, red light 3. All this information, how do we separate it up? Any ideas? Make another 4. What, you mean 4 this one? Got 3 more. Then connect straight by straight. There are too many. You can do that, but if it's small thing, it's fine. But what if your system is very huge, a lot of sensors, a lot of things you collected, you can't do that. Okay, so what we can do is a switch. There's a switch here at the side. Okay. So you can see function, there's a switch. Drag this switch out, put it here. And then, because what we can see, so you can see this object, this first one, browse name, message, this is the browse name. We have red light 0. Okay, the first one. Then second one is again browse name, red light 1. So this is a separation, separate what is the data it is. So from this switch here, okay, we double click. So from this message.payload, we change this to browse name. Okay. Then we can add 3 more, 2, 3. So we have 4 of these items. So first one will be red light, okay, 0. Then the second one, copy this here, red light 1, red light 2, red light 3. Okay. Okay, so you have these 4 red light different outputs indeed. Okay, so for red light 0, you output red light 0 data, red light 1 data, red light 2, red light 3 data. So you separate the information. Okay, you don't chunk all the data together in one line. Then after click done. Okay, so yeah, 4 output line. Okay, so this is just like your, maybe you can say the thing like that, the pipe, initially the pipe inside the one big pipe, you have all 4 data coming in, then after you separate the data into 4 different output. So first one is only the red light 0 can go up, red light 1, red light 2, and red light 3. Okay, so 4 different. So we can connect this output here from this OPC UA client on top, drag into this switch here. Okay, so I can just delete this and drag this to the first red light 0. Okay, so if I just, I deploy and test it out and show you. So when I inject, so this one, first one only I get the red light 0. Others I don't get. Okay, that is what we want to do. We just only want red light 0 data to come up from the first one. Then only we can fit with this red light 0 function. Then only it pass the correct data to the database. Okay, if no, you have red light 1, red light 2, red light 3 information, you will still program red light 0, then your information is wrong. Okay, because you have also red light 0, 1, 2, 3 in the database there. You must program the correct information to the correct output, the correct, the correct the correct rows of data. Okay, because okay, yeah. So okay, so from the MySQL workbench, okay, when I open this, okay, so you still have your Ivan, you still save around. So I have it here, just double click, then ask for password. So I just copy from the Ivan page, paste it here, and click OK. So what I'm trying to tell you is in the bottom monitor here, so you can see, okay, sorry, this one is the one, the traffic light. So in here you can see we have this red 0, red 1, red 2, red 3. So we do not want to have the traffic light 0, traffic light 1 will go to red 1. Traffic light 1 go to red 0, the information. Or traffic light 2 will go to red 0. Okay? Override it. So it's incorrect data. Right. So we need to have only traffic light 0, the red 0 need. Okay, so from here, so from this node red, okay, so once we have created the switch, then we copy this red light 0. Okay, again this red light 0, copy again, paste 3 times. This one also very simple, just copy paste 3 times. And then we need to change this one. Okay, double click this one, change the 0 become 1. Okay, 0 become 1. Inside even here also need to change the word. The color equals to red 0, so now change to red 1. Okay. So this one red 1 is not the rock, the movie, red 1. Santa Claus movie. Okay, so the second one here change to red light 1. So this one red 0 become 1. And then click done. Then the third one here double click. So again the 0 change to become 2. So 0 become 2. Then click done. Okay. Then this one also 0 become 3. Then 0 become 3. Then click done. Okay. Then we connect this. But red light 0, red light 1, and red light 2, red light 3. Okay. And this one subsequently connect to the test B. Okay. This one I can turn off. Okay. So once we have done, just click deploy. And from our MySQL workbench, if your sum of them is null or all 0, 0, it's fine. So now, how do what? This one? This one, oh. This one in your, if your table don't have, at the right side here, test TV table. So only you have traffic light, right click, select row, limit 1000. So put this out, you execute this for you, very simple. Okay. So your one should be 0, yours should be 1, then other 0, 0, right? All 0, 0. Okay, all 0, 0 is fine. So now, my case is on now. So what we need is to go back to the notepad and click inject. Okay. So once you click inject, and go back to the workbench here, and refresh. So you can see red 0, red 1, red 2, red 3 all become 1. Okay. Can you guys update this one to 1? Out.
That one my OPC UA client. From back end.
Right. This one. Not connected. This one not connected. Your Amoeba Inch is running or not? Not running, run. Can you run first? Home, go to home. Run. Then you go back to the notepad. Running now.
Until now, then do what?
Right? Oh, you need to. This one you have to remove. Red light 0. Or really? Then this one you connect. Then this one can you not change it? No, not in the
From哪里 copy 给？
This one you change 1, 2, 3. This one change. Second one.
这个用哪个？
Change 1. 来 down there also the browse name, the one down there also change. Down there also name. Change to 1, 4. Done. So subsequent also change to 2. Another change to 3. Yes. Lost in forest.要 refresh， 你先 refresh， 看那个颜色。好，记得。再按一下。可以，注意。
你这样有很多的很多好像开汉而已，multiple 开很多。然后我借过去的话，一个轮。对吗？对的吧。Successfully deployed.
你那个笔包要开出来如果 so it's just like pipe, you have very big pipe. After later you separate out this small section. Okay. So this is for the red 0. Okay. This is red 1, then red 2, then red 3. Okay. So you want here is the red light 0. Here is the red light 1 before. You don't want this red light 1 to go to here, man. If you go to here, wrong information, man. You go to here, also wrong information, man. You want this one to go here, this one to go here. So that is the correct data, the correct sensor data, correct information. Okay. So the red light is this one. You want here, here, here. You want the wrong thing go to the wrong. Where you can say this one the store the data there. Okay. The wrong rows are.
Real.
原本按这个出来Okay, so if you want to see everything, then you can connect it from the output from this OPC UA client here. This one is just from the output from this red light 0, so that's why you only see red light 0. So if I delete this, and then I connect it to here, on this back on, then deploy, okay, clear the message. So I click inject, then I'll see all 4 messages. Okay, because output from here is all the 4 messages, we have all the 4 of them. Then the switch here actually separate into individual data ID. Okay, red light 0. So red light 0 is the first output, red light 1 is the second, this one is red light 2, and after red light 3. Okay. So you do not want other integers go into the first one. Just only red light 0. So that you can store the red 0 database. If not, you read wrong information, read wrong data. Okay. So other than okay, so after that, so in the Node-RED actually there is the GUI that we can actually use. So at the left side here, okay, you scroll down, then under dashboard, select this text. Okay, so you only have one input at the left side, which is a text. Okay, so text is on the left side here. This is the input. Okay, under dashboard, there's a text. Press the text out. Okay, so this one we want to connect it to the first red light 0. Okay, this one red light 0. Okay, you can connect to here first. So this is the first one, red light 0. So double click on this text. You want to edit what is this about. Okay, if no, just text only, a bit meaningful, no meaning, meaningless. So double click on this text, you come out this edit text node. And the label here we change to red light. Okay. So again, it can be a bit confusing, but however, when you want to present to the user, okay, we need to start it by 1. Okay. In computer system, the array start from 0. Okay. The number start from 0, but in the presentable to user, we have to start from 1. Okay. So here's the red light 1, and then this one is the dashboard group. Okay, so what we need is now is one to so under the Node-RED, we have this. So we have the main one, which is the traffic light system. Then we have these red lights. So our main thing is now is to okay. So now we're going to edit this thing, this red light here. Okay, we're going to edit this particular groups. Okay. After that, we will only edit the bigger one. Okay, the bigger groups. So after that, we also have later on we have the yellow lights. Okay, groups. Okay. So now we do this, edit this red light group. After follow, we add this as a whole big one, the whole tab, okay, the whole dashboard tab. So here at the dashboard group, click on this edit. Okay, these are cancel symbol. Then afterward, the name, default name, we change it to red lights. Okay. Then afterward, at the tab here. Okay, so this one is the tab which is the traffic light system that we're going to edit. So we need to edit it because there's no tab at the moment. So now we type in traffic light system. Okay. Put S up, okay. Then click on add. Okay, so once you click add, you will add this new dashboard tab config mode. So click add, then you can see here the traffic light system, the red light, and then click add. So you can see here under the traffic light system, then it's inside here is the red light. So this is your group, and then click done. Okay. So this is for your first red light, the first red light. Then we can make copy again so when it's selecting here, you can see it's selected in orange color. Copy, and then paste, paste, and then paste. Okay. So subsequently the same thing. Change this one to become 2. The second one change to 2. Okay. Other setting no need to change. Then this one change to 3. And then this one change to 4. Okay. Then after connect this one, red light 0 to first red light 1, red light 2 to the second output, okay, from the switch red light 1 here, then the third output to the red light 3, then the fourth output to the red light number 4. Once we have done this one, we click deploy. Okay? So when you click deploy, and then we click inject. Okay? So you inject anything, okay, you don't see anything because now which is in the this is not the Node-RED UI, so you need to go to the UI by opening a new tab. So localhost colon 1880/UI. So the Node-RED UI, which is localhost colon 1880/UI. So you see this red light 1, 2, 3 true. Okay, because the traffic light now is all is on. Okay, so now we have this information here to the red. Okay, inside here the red, and then we also have sent this to the MySQL database server. Okay, inside here there is the UI. Okay, so this is another UI that we will send out to show this information. Okay, and everyone can up to here. You need to inject first. Only you get data through. No data go through.
不 OK，不能读不到。没有，这个问题。
Traffic light systems.
Red light.
Traffic light system 下面的一些 copy 看掉。Red lights. 这个放这个太明显，太明显。对，这个弯。
Okay. Okay, so you have successfully do the red light. So yellow light, no? Yellow light and the green light.
All use the same
No.
inject. Just change the this one. All is same one. Then all is
But when you do the second color, it's smart, don't copy the whole thing first. You copy the whole thing, then you have to type a lot of work. This one, you don't get copy these 4 of them, you have to paste down. Then you have to change the red color into yellow, all the red to change to yellow. If you like that, it's okay. What I will do is I will just copy this red light first, copy, paste it below, double click this one, I change this one, the red become, I change to green first. Green because it's more longer time, red, yellow is very short time. Then change this one become green, okay? And then click done. So once I have this green light 0 already created, then I only copy and paste 3 times. So that then only I need to change the 0 become 1, 2, 3 really faster. Okay, if you know you have to type green for many times, now I need to change the 1 digit only, change 1 character. So copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, double click this one. So the second one change to 1, 1, done. Then this one change from 0 to 2, 0 to 2, done. Then this one 0 to 3, then 0 to 3, okay, and done. Then I have to inject inside the green light 0, okay. Then put this with OPC way client, the client. So once you have connected this, and you can see our switch is not enough really. We only have 4 output, so we need to expand our switch to allow you to go out this green light 0, green light 1, green light 2, green light 3, here's the data. So double click on this switch, then at the bottom here add again, add 4 more, 2, 3, 4. So this time, copy the first one, paste it here. Then this one change to green light 0. Then you just copy this green light, 0 into the copy, and then paste all the green light. Change 1, 2, 3. You guys very lucky, you got no break. You know, last time I was thinking that we run Python daily. So for you guys, mechanical student, Python code is a nightmare. Lucky got no rate. No rate save you guys, save your day.
Thank you.
So now you actually are doing some a bit programming, so not so fear about programming, right? All these things back around. Like you play those pneumatic stuff like that, they think around like that, place around and connect it together. Okay? Can the switch here you create 4 more. So green light 0, green light 1, green light 2, green light 3. Okay? And it's done. So we have 4 more output here. Green light 0, green light 1, green light 2, green light 3. Okay? Then again the function the same we copy this function. First one red light 0, paste it below. Double click the red light 0. Change this red to become green. Okay? And then red 0 become green 0. Okay? And then click done. So now we have the green light one. So copy this green light 3 more times below. Then again edit the second one become the green 1, 0 become 1, click done. Then this one 0 become 2, 0 become 2, okay, done. Then this one 0 become 3, okay, 0 become 3, okay, click done. So we connect this green light 0 to green light 0, green light 1 to this 1, 2, 2, 3 to 3, okay, and connect to the database. Then same for the dashboard also. This one red light 1, After first one, we slowly step by step first. Okay, finish this one first. Okay. So once we're done, we can click deploy. Okay. And then we can just reject. And I can test. I can see my database server. So you can see here all now for green. Refresh. Green becomes 0 already. Okay. So if I run the Aviva Edge traffic light system, so I first green light 1 here to turn on. So you can see here on green light 1. I go back to the page and inject. Then I go to the database server. I refresh this one. By clicking this refresh button. Then this green becomes 1. The red 0 becomes 0. Okay. So this reflects what we have just now. Okay. So this is the data we need to collect and put it into the database. So you update in the database in real time. Okay, not say real time lah. What we inject, we put in there lah. What we want to achieve is real time lah. And everyone, for the green light, react. You already know how to do slightly the green light is ECDC. Yes.
First green light, green 0 should be 1.
This one it depends on your Aviva Edge. Press this one, green light 1, green light 1. Go to the node rate. Click on check. Then you go to the Aviva right here. So you can see the green light 1 here. Oh, you need to look right there, go to look right and reject. Reject. Go back to your MySQL, right? Refresh. Click the center lock. Click any change.
Green light 1 on.
Group everything, whole thing delete, remove. What we want is to create a new dashboard group. Okay, so we need to select this to create a new dashboard group, and then click on edit. Don't select this and edit. You select this, you edit the red light. So if you edit anything, this red light become a green light instead. Then your red light become a new group. Okay, so we need to select this, click on add new dashboard group. Okay, add new dashboard group, and edit this. And then the default here, starting green lights. Okay. So once you are done with these green lights, and then click add. Okay. Tab no need to change because we still use like the traffic light system. And then click add. Okay. Then click done. So you can see we have two already. One is red light, one is green light. So for the green lights, you fall under the green light group. Okay. And then click done. Okay. Click done here. So we have this green light here. So copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay. Then again, remember to edit log. The second one to 2, third to 3, the fourth to 4. Okay. So this one is to become 2, done. Then this one to become 3, then done. Then this one become 4. And then click done. Okay. So after that, we need to connect out the green light 1 to the first output of this green light. Then the second one to the green light 2. This one to green light 3. And the last output for green light will be green light 4. Okay. Then click on the deploy. eject, and then when I go back to the node right here, you can see this is the thing I have now. Okay, so if the green light is pulled through, then the red light is false. Okay, so this is exactly what the traffic light is running at the moment. Okay, so if I refresh my database, so you can see it's exactly the same as what the node rate dashboard is now. Okay, so here 1, this one green light 1 is 0, green light 2 is 0, false. Then this one green light, green 1, so this green light 2 is true. Okay. Okay. Green light.
So can you go back to the MySQL?
Alright. This one you refresh, then you will get your number. I don't have new update from the data now. Okay. So in case you don't have anything refresh here, cannot work, you just click on this thunder again. This one is to run this code again. Once I run this SQL script again. Okay. You need to check first and then the data go up. Then the list of data will come out from all these button. You double click. Oh, cancel the. You don't keep adding more things lah. Oh, good. You can go for yellow light. So you have done, you can continue with the yellow light. This doing programming is not hard, right? So easy, you can job now. Yeah, so nice. Okay, so I will do the yellow light lah, right? So copy this one, green light, is green light 0, double click here, green change to yellow, okay? Green will change to yellow, click done,
你的线接错了。
copy, paste,
Okay lah.
change this one, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 0 to 2, 0 to 2, done, and 0 to 3. Okay, 0 to 3. Done. Then switch also expand. Okay, so add 1, 2, 3, off. So this one green light copy, paste, change to green to yellow. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and click done. So I have 4 more output below here. Okay. So I can connect this one. Yellow light 0, yellow light 1, yellow light 2, and yellow light 3. Okay. Then after for the PC item, again copy this green light 0 first. Change this green to become yellow. So green becomes yellow light. And the green light becomes yellow light. Okay, done. And again copy this, paste 3 more times, and change this to 1. And so change to 2. And this one to 3. Done. Okay, then connect all the connection again. And the green light, so connect this one here. done, click deploy. Okay. So now if I click inject in it, then my node rate, you can see here I have the see all these like that. Okay, so like red, green, yellow lights. So this one is I. So this one very troublesome. Refresh again, all zero yellow is just happen my yellow is 1 at a time. Okay. So every time now you have to press this button, right? Very troublesome, right? Something, right? So we need to automate it. So to do so very simply, just double click on this inject tab. Then there's one inject once after this how many seconds. So you can just check this one button. Okay, this one change to 0.5 and then repeat interval 0.5 so okay, and then click done. So once you click done, you click deploy. Now you keep on injecting, okay, to the database server. So you can see here, and then from the dashboard, my traffic light changed already. So my green light tree is now true, red light tree is false. Okay. After that, my yellow light tree will become true, and this traffic light tree, okay, so it become true here. So you can also use your database here to see and refresh it at the same time. So you can see now my green light 1 is 1, okay, this one is true, and the red light 0 is false. Okay. So if I refresh now, red light 0 is 0, green light 0 is 1. Okay, as same as what I see in the dashboard also. Okay.
That one is automatically will change the UI.
It's not going to change. You just click this one of the button green light 1 on, it will automatically move around. So this is the thing, something that you need to do lah. This one I did pre-made for you guys . So you need to go through the tutorial to how to do this thing . See, it all depends on what kind of things you want to do . This one got a bit animation . So this is the dashboard, the database server, so I refresh and change data, all this will change . And so also you see this one, my red light, green light, yellow light, this one you can actually change the order one. Go to the node rate here, and the side here. The side here, the button down, so there's a dashboard. Then you can drag this yellow to go up. Okay, so you red, yellow, green. So I click deploy, then I go back to the not red dashboard, so you can see red light now, yellow and green. Change the location. Okay, you can just drag it and change the location as you want. Okay, so if I expand, it become like that . Okay. So now you have seen now the whole thing from here, or maybe the edge, go to node rate, go to the MySQL database server. Okay, then you view the to MySQL workbench, you view the data database there. Okay, everyone can? Okay, then maybe 50% of the work can be done.
follow this.
Refresh because this is a database that query the data. Okay, no ready. So you double click here. You need to deploy. Deploy first. Then now only is to update. Now you refresh. Change it. Now red light this one false. Now it's true. Then after this yellow light will become true or what?
真的给我死了。 嗯，
可以变的，可以变的。
可是那个东西，我确定是不是要自己按？我先说你的无人车噻，你的无人车完整点。
这个我自己走。
可是那个希望那个对
我会拿后天我们去第三方面考虑。
我就反正那有变是啥？确定很多一个设计。Then you go where your work dashboard and you see the thing